Welcome, boys. It has been a good day as of now. Rains have just stopped here in India, and I have decided to make this video, fortunately. So, today's topic is going to be about understanding male female relationship, especially the change that has taken place in the modern day women. As you guys know, that women at least had some qualities back in the day which would have been complemented by their husband or kids. Like, for that matter, I love my mother and my grandmother because they have distinct qualities which I don't see in today's women. I believe that the younger generation that's coming up is going to learn from their mothers how to bankroll boys, how to smoke at a very young age, and yes, parties and nightclubs are essential for your existence. Otherwise, the society thinks that you are an alien landing from Mars. I feel there is going to be a steep downfall of society, which has actually started. We may or may not recover, that only time could tell. The reason why MGTOWs need to understand female nature is because it would help a man understand how women operate and what possibly could be their next move. This is very crucial for MGTOWs who are still into dating business. Personally, in India, I feel there's a rising fear in hearts of men due to government providing more and more power in the hands of women. The law is making my countrymen weak. Therefore, an understanding of the opposite sex is very necessary. And I would further say this to women as well. Don't misinterpret us men. We are self-dignified, respected, and thriving human beings. Not all men, but especially MGTOWs. I am personally a fan of those good old days, which I came to know as a student of history and politics. I have read a lot of stuff regarding how things used to work in our society and how they have changed in such a small amount of time. In short, if those good old days come again, I will be happy to welcome a woman in my life. And that's my personal opinion. I don't share this opinion with other people, but this is what I feel personally. But I live in a reality, so what I'm gonna do is, and suggest people to do, is that stay MGTOW because it's too late and those good old days ain't coming back. The only way to survive in this rude environment is to be minimalistic and opportunistic. Sorry for my mistakes in spelling some words. English is my third language. So let's move forward. Make the most of your time, money, and life. Everything that happens with you, regardless of good or bad, the thing is, must be your responsibility. And live life the MGTOW way, because that's the only way to move forwards. Feel free to add some more points if I have missed any in the comment section down below. It's been a busy life for me recently, so I haven't been able to upload videos frequently like I used to do earlier. and I hope that I keep thriving like my other MGTOW brothers who are listening to me, and we as a team and brotherhood keep moving forwards on the path of success. I wish you all the very best, and till then, have a good day. Peace out.